Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Wyze Error Code 90. So before fixing this error code 90, we first need to understand what is it and why it actually occurs. So the error code 90 is basically occurs when the device is offline. So in order to troubleshoot this problem, what you can do is you need to make sure that the 2.4 gigahertz band is enabled on your router. You need to save your modem or the router's settings and you need to log out. You can even try to reboot your modem. For that, you just have to simply unplug it from the power, then plug it back in. Then you need to wait for it to fully connect and stabilize. You can even set up your device as new. So in the Wyze app, tap on the home screen, then tap on the plus sign on the top right hand corner of the screen. On the add menu, you can simply tap on the devices in order to add the new device into it. So with the help of these troubleshooting methods, you will definitely gonna fix this issue. And if you do that, do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.